Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Today we're going to talk about our Nissan R34 GTR and Toyota Supra V160 billet shift forks. We make first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and both reverse forks for the R34 and for the V160 right here in-house at Jack's Transmissions. Made out of 6061 aluminum, thoughtfully designed. And we added a T651 treatment process to them as well, just to make them even better. Let's take a closer look. All right, so here are some more thoughtfully designed parts from Jack's Transmissions. These are made in-house right here at our company, so we have control over the materials, the quality, and the how many we keep in stock. So you don't have to worry about tariffs here, markups, anything like that. What we sell is what we make. So we have for the R34, Nissan GTR, and the Toyota Supra V160, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. These will work in both platforms without issue. Reverse is different. So this is a V160 reverse, which has a detent here for the reverse gear lights in the V160. But then in the R34, the reverse light switch sits on the other side of the case. So we made a different fork for the R34 just for that. So your reverse lights will work, everything will fit as it should, and you don't have to worry about grinding this down to try to get a V160 to fit in your R34. We've got that covered. So we try to be thoughtful in the design on these, like with everything else. Not only are these made out of 6061 build aluminum, but they have a T651 treatment with them as well, which basically removes the contaminants from the material to make it a lot more high quality, and it makes the material basically seasoned. So when we machine it, it's a lot straighter and things are not going to move around as the part ages. So, as it is now is where it'll always be for the remainder of its life, which is really amazing. It's just another step up from 6061 to really have a higher quality product out here in the market. So the 1, 2, and we label them here for you too, so you know it's 1, 2. A nice surface area here for the sleeve. Everywhere we had the space, we try to add more material. As you can see here, it's pretty weak. Ours has much more material here to make it stronger. For 3, 4, same deal. We tried to do the same design here. Again, a lot more material here to make it stronger throughout the body of the fork, so you don't risk breaking anything. 5, 6, same deal. Wherever we had space, add more material. Reverse, same thing for both platforms. V160, R34, just absolutely beautiful. So much improvement over stock. We really appreciate your business. We've been making these for a long time, and these forks have been excellent for us. We've been working on V160s forever here. We've been in the game a really long time, so to have the same company that builds these also service the transmission really gives you the best design and the most care when it comes to manufacturing these.